Hi everyone. Okay, so we're going to be covering the Gua Sha Arm Routine today. So after you've done your face and your spine and your neck every day, you can add in some other things too if you want to. So this is a good routine to have in your regular routine because washing your arms has many benefits, like helps with circulation, helps with muscle relaxation. It even helps tone and tighten your arms. So who wouldn't want to do that? All right, so first things you want to do is apply oils to your arms. I've already done that. So you can use the Yara Palm body oil. I didn't have any on hand, so I used coconut oil, and then I also used my Yara Palm. So up to you, but make sure that you have some oil on of some sort. It's kind of a large surface area, so you probably don't want to just put a couple of drops of lavender on, maybe mix that in with a carrier oil or body butter or something like that. So, so grab your Gua Sha, and I'm going to teach you how to do the arm routine on one side, but you definitely want to use it on both sides. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to start with the shoulder, and we're going to work our way down all the way to the hand. Okay, so I'm going to start my shoulder. I'm keeping it kind of flat, and I'm going to be scraping, not like painful scraping, but I'm going to press a little harder because my arm is not as sensitive as my face. So I'm going to do 3 times, just working my way around the arm all the way to the elbow. That's it. And then we're going to do the elbow to wrist. Tops of the arms here. And you can do it 3 to 5 times, whichever you prefer. And then the hands. So I'm holding it this way so you can see. Sorry, I kind of got a little distracted on that part. So 3 to 5 times. And then the fingers. I'm going to use the heart shape for my fingers. Like that. And then they're going to use the inside of, we're going to do the inside of the fingers. I'm going to be pushing down this time. And then, so we're going to be doing our palms, and I'm going to use the flat side of my Gua Sha stone. Some benefits that I've heard about of massaging your hands regularly and using your Gua Sha stone on your palms regularly is it helps enable the natural healing process of your body. So I'm going to be doing this more often. All right, and then we're going to do our wrist to elbow on the inside of our arm. So just working your way up this time. Last time we were working our way down. So this time we're working our way up. 3 to 5 times, whichever one you prefer. And if you feel like there's a spot that you didn't quite get, that's okay. Just do it again. And then we'll work our elbow up, underarm here. If this seems to be a place that you want to see lots of change, maybe do it 5 times. And that's about it. Make sure that you do both sides and drink lots of water after you're done.